What's up guys, this is Emmanuel. Today we're going to install some simple mods to this Gran Cherokee. It's just a tint for the taillights and the amber delete. Let's do it. Okay guys, today we're gonna do some simple mods to this Gran Cherokee. We're gonna install some tint for here for the tail light and here for the turn signal too. We're gonna do the amber delete. We're gonna delete this one in black, and for the front, for the headlight, we're gonna install tint right here in this area. All right, so let's install this one. But these are the ones for the these two are the ones for the tail light. These are for the bottom of the bumper, and these are for the headlights, and this is for the turn signal. So let's install this one right now. Sorry about the wind. So let's install this one. Okay, to install the tint, we only need a squeegee with the buffer. But if you don't have this buffer, you can wrap the squeegee in on a rack, on a microfiber towel, and rub it like this. And a heat gun. We need a heat gun because of the shape of this one. Without a heat gun, it's going to be hard to install them. So we need a heat gun. Okay, you can see it right there. You can still see a little bit because we cannot make it too big because it's gonna block the headlight, the low beams, so we don't want to block that, so it's only to this edge. But it looks cool, and that's how it looks from the front. Yeah, it looks nice. Very simple, and it's big change. You can see it from far. That's cool. Alright guys, you can see it. Amazing. Simple thing and big change. It looks like a totally different truck with this. You can see the tint. So remember, you have a Volvo, lift the vinyl and stick it back again with the squeegee. Push the air out with the squeegee. You can see it. It looks great. I like it. Remember, the link is gonna be in the description of the video down below. And the front. Cool. Cool. Looks beautiful. This is the dark black tint. I also have it on light black tint. If you don't want it too dark, I have the light black tint. The light black tint is a little bit lighter. Okay. Alright guys, those are the amber delete and tint for the taillights. All the links are gonna be on the description of the video down below. Let me know what you guys think. Put in the comments. If you like the video, please like the video, that helps a lot. And subscribe for more videos like this one. See you on the next video.